Jenny.
Sorry, Jenny. You don't look happy. Is anything the matter?
Big brother, I haven't been able to check Instagram for days now. I miss listening to Davido. Oh, my baby, I miss you so much. And big brother, I haven't been able to listen to Hogan. I haven't been able to listen to Cardi B. Big brother, you can't fuck with me if you wanted to. Big brother, this house is so boring. Okay, do something.
That's against the rule, Jenny.
Okay. Big brother, please. Can I come stay with you for the night? Please. The guys in this house are so boring. Please.
Do you know what, Jennifer?
Jenny.
That won't be allowed. Is there any other thing you want to discuss?
Okay. Big brother, please. This Shaggy guy is so annoying. Big brother, can you believe he actually ate my food I kept on my bed? And he had the balls to tell me to my face that he would do it over and over again. Big brother, do something, please.
Sorry about that. I shall look into that.
You know what, big brother? Never mind. I'll handle it myself. If he tries it again, I will report him to my dad.
You have to take it easy, Jennifer.
Jenny.
All right. Your diary section is over.
One more thing, big brother.
What's that?
I need to change my hair, okay? And I need to get new bra and pants.